But okay. Imagine. Okay, no, I need it. Okay, give me 10 shots. Let's see how many I can score in 10 shots. Okay, let's go. Okay, 1. 1 out of 1. 2 out of 2. 3 out of 3. 4 out of 4. 5. 5 out of 5. 6 out of 6. 7 out of 7. 7 out of 8. 8 out of 9. 9 out of 10. Let's see. 9 out of 10. Away. Yeah, what's happening? Lesiba Mothupi here, and today I want us to talk about specific things that we've been through throughout the whole year, and not only that, but things that I took lessons from, I won from, and wins and losses basically. And on top of that, some of the projects that maybe I'm working on, and what you can hopefully look into or expect from my side within the next few weeks, next few months, and the next year. Okay guys, so starting off, firstly I want us to play a game whereby I'm gonna share something, and after I share it, I'm gonna try score and see if I'm a baller or not. But if I'm not, then it's okay, I understand, I'm a skater. But yeah, so throughout the whole year guys, when the year started, things were nice, things were dope. I didn't really complain much, but I remember I had some obstacles at the beginning of the year, and it happened with some incident that happened a few years ago. So not even a few years ago, like a year ago. But what actually happened is that I'm just chilling, doing my thing, trying to be a good guy, and some guys approached me differently. So it happened that me and my security guard reacted differently to it, and we slept 3 nights in prison, in a cell. Let me put it that way. Let me not say prison, in a cell. And obviously they say that we're wrong for reacting that way, but I'm just trying to protect myself, because imagine just the previous month, just a month ago, I come from hijacks. A month ago I come from hijacks, people hijacked me, guns and everything, and now here I am. This guy's coming, is doing things differently. So obviously you can see that even me, my reactions, I'll have to react quicker. So when you did react quicker, unfortunately they don't want that, they don't like it when you do that. So it led me in a cell 3 days, but we eventually got out and we got free. But what sucked is that throughout that, there was a very huge it stopped a lot of things on my side, because I couldn't do certain things. A lot of things on my side got rejected because of that case that was pending, but eventually won, and the charges were dropped. But what's funny is that people wanted money from me. I noticed that every time when I'm in a tough situation, people take advantage of it. I remember even with the hijack, I had some guy that came to me, hey, I'm a private investigator, 1, 2, 3. He wanted money. I gave him over 15K. Nowhere to be found. He came back a few days later and he started talking about other things. Hey, I want money for this, I want money. I was like, I cut him off. So even after this whole scene that happened, the people that started claiming money, they wanted millions from me, 5 million, 3 million, some numbers like that. And I saw even some lawyers that were even involved in this, and I just didn't like that. That was a huge thing that stopped some of my progress. But I saw it as a win instead of as a lose, because why? I learned a lot from that, and I learned that I need to get my things sorted. I upped my security, obviously. On top of that, I also upped my lawyers and stuff. So I'm actually good in terms of that. But it taught me that I need to be a bit more observant in terms of that. But let me just see if I can score this. Oh. But yeah. So that's actually what happened throughout, it was during March, obviously, my year was amazing, I met a beautiful lady, I've been with her, we've been literally to almost everywhere, and we just like traveled the whole country, even other African countries. Let me just say one specific African country. And with that happening, like I got to learn so much. I got to learn so much about people, and I also just got to be within the space of people, because normally what I do is that I work from home, I work from my laptop. So obviously when being at home, I make the most. So when I go out, I'm losing money. So but what she done is that she taught me on how to go out, how to engage with certain people, how to do stuff, and it taught me a lot. And that was a beautiful blessing on my side, because we learned so much. Let's see if we can score as much as we did learn. So you guys can see that I'm trying to score these balls from literally a distance. But yeah, so but those are some of the highlights. Throughout the whole year, things happened, a lot of ups and downs. I lost a lot of friends. I had friends that came to me, wanted to take things from me, wanted to be in my position without having to work their way up. And obviously, it led also to court cases, because why? When I've got a ball like this and you want my ball, and you know that you can use a lawyer to get my ball, obviously you'll try to fight. But because of me, time is money. I'm not going to be sitting in court cases back and forth just because of a few thousands. I'm not going to be doing that because of a few thousands. What I'll do instead, I'll give you what you want. You eat, your stomach will be full for a few days. Once your stomach is full for a few days, I'll take my time, go elsewhere, invest it, make money, and then I'll live a longer life like that. Within a few days, you're going to be back to normal, because why? You try to take something that's not yours, which it will never work out for you. But that's what happened. I lost a lot of friends that were in that position. But, it taught me a lot at the end. And I got to, also relationships. I got to be involved in beautiful relationships. Let me just score one for that. Let me just score one. No. So, but yeah, I did mention that. But also, guys, I had some beautiful relationships that I did develop. I actually happened to have I bought courses. Those courses actually taught me so much. I got courses about trading. I learned so much about trading. I got mentors in terms of that. Also bought more courses about marketing, just so I can be able to push my businesses, be able to move forward. Also got other courses that actually helped me develop into personal development, such as goal setting and stuff. And someone out there would be you teach these things, you're good at goal setting and stuff. But yes, there'll always be improvement. There'll always be I want to be better than the person that I am today. So obviously it means that I need to always be improving. I need to always be feeding myself with knowledge. And just watching a few YouTube videos here and there, it's not enough. I need to go out there, get that course, and be involved in it. So that's what I've done. I spent the whole year learning, basically. That's what I'll say. And throughout my whole learning experience, I met so many people that taught me so much in terms of also business. I met so many people that were involved in business with me, tried to do partnerships. They showed me way forward, this is what I can do, this is what I should be involving in. And literally what it done is that the whole year I'll see it as a learning curve, because the whole year for me it was more of a learning. I learned so much about finances, credit scores, literally anything. I even though I had accountants and stuff, I started sitting down and looking at my financials, because there was a time whereby even finances were starting to be my expenses were even getting to be a bit more than my income. So I started looking what's going on. I'm making what, this much a month, and now I'm spending this much. Where's my money going to? So obviously because of now I've got so many people that I'm basically accountable to. Let me put it that way. I've got so many people that I'm working with and stuff. Everyone has access to anything. So it's literally like that. We picked up a lot of expenses just like that, because of you have access to what, and automatically you'll get that you have expenses. Me at the end of the month, I just see bank pulling, and when I see it's just a lot of money. And obviously I just had to cut that down, and I'm still cutting more down, because why? I'm becoming more financial literate. I'm becoming more wiser in terms of finances. I'm learning more to take care of my finances, which is also something that now I actually want to be buying a course for this, for financial management, doing certain things in terms of that, just to get a specific course. But I'll be looking into them. That's what I'm doing. So I love that because why? It teaches me to be able to manage my assets, manage my growings, and I can even develop, like with the plan that I have, like my specific goal, I can see it happening. Because why? It's not a goal, it's not a dream anymore, it's now a goal, which is something that easily has steps. Like I can see the steps. If I do this is gonna happen. But yeah, that's actually what the whole year, I won't say the whole year, because there's so many things that actually happened. I had so many big wins, so many small, like big losses. Like there were like a lot of things that I experienced. Some of them maybe I'm not too comfortable to share about at this moment, or some of them maybe I just forgot about them at this moment because I haven't got anything planned out. But let us speak about some things that we can also look into expecting. Yeah. Woo! Finally. Finally. Okay guys, so now in terms of speaking about what's to expect, anniversary Forex Chases, we are now hitting like literally 5 years of us operating as a company, as a business, and I'm excited, because why? When I started my company, I was literally obviously I had some sort of knowledge, I knew what I was doing, I could see a way forward, but I just wanted more. I wanted to say I own a company, because most people, they just want to trade and like that, but that's there's no impact, there's no benefits to it. Anyone can do that. That's what I'm trying to say. But owning a company, growing it, being there full time, and nurturing it like a baby, it takes a lot of commitment, and throughout the whole years, 5 years worth, we are actually hitting 5 years in December, I think on the 27th, and I'm so excited because I've seen myself literally from my dad's house, in a tiny room, trying to flip things, trying to just employ people, even if I didn't have cents coming to me, but I could see that I'm making maybe 10k a month when I was still 19, 20, still trying to figure myself out type thing. But I wanted to do more for people, I wanted to do certain things, and eventually we grew. At some point, Forex Chases had over 22 employees, 22, imagine, we had 22 employees. At some point I sat down, I was like, what, now started head to, because there were things that I also done on my side. I haven't got any prior experience, obviously there's things that I'll do, mistakes, lessons, 1, 2, 3. So obviously now I had to do what, to lay low, just take a look, stand out, and then take a look at what is it that I can do in order to just make the most. So instead of having 22 people, what value can I bring to have maybe 10 people that would be able to do the work of 50 people? Do you get that? So we started doing a bit more of that. And yeah, it's I won't lie, guys, there's a lot of things that are beautiful that I'm seeing that are coming, and obviously with the Unlock the Secrets course that we've got, I spent months dedicated to making this course be happening. Even the private signals, spend literally every single day learning, making sure that I send accurate signals. But on top of that, one thing that I value most is that with our application, we've got an app that you can see on App Store, on App Store, and as well Google Play. But it will be updated within the next few weeks to a month maximum. Within the next few, let me just say, few weeks, it will be updated, and you guys won't you won't believe us actually coming up, because it's going to be so insane. Everyone out there is going to be able to have an opportunity to prove themselves, to become better. That's one thing that I love about the app. It's not just about Forex Chasers as a company. It's more also about you proving yourself, becoming a better individual, and on top of that, you being able to make money within the app. That's true. You heard that. And also, there's also other projects, very big projects that I'm working on, projects that on my side I can see $1 billion, literally, but some of them I can't really mention and stuff, because I understand that most people, they won't really support or help or do anything when they know maybe that it's you or something like that. But it's more on, to me, it's more on, I don't want you to know that it's me for you to support me. I want you to know this company. For me, most people know Forex Chasers, but they don't know Lesiba. Why? It's because of, I made sure that people go out there, I put Forex Chasers in front of the right people's eyes, so they know more about my company compared to know more about me, because my company is what makes the impact. I as a person is what grows the company to make an impact. Do you get that? So that's why you will see that every day we're having these live sessions. I don't have to be doing all of this, but I make sure that I provide the best services. So now we are going to be 10 times in all of that. And on top of that, with these big projects that are coming, luckily we'll have enough funding to be able to just fund the company in order of it to grow more. Because most people think that it's just a company is a company. There's just like trading, there's expenses, there's profits, there's revenue, there's all this. There's when you need money, let's say now I can be making $500,000 a month from, let's say, my company, whether gross or let's say profit, whatever. But if I need 5 million in order of me to start implement or investing back into my company, yeah, so once you get that 5 million, obviously I know that the 5 million, even though I'm making 500k a month profit, instead of buying a car or putting this, like doing that, balling, you know, spending it in clubs and all that. Obviously, I'll be reinvesting it back in business, seeing what I can do in order to get dividends or whatever money, passive income. But on top of that, find out that I still need, like, you know, 10 million or 5 million or 20 million for my dream. Because why? When your dreams are big, the amount of money is not even what you need. Like, money is just a resource in order to, like, let's say now, for instance, I can tell someone how much I make a month, and someone out there will be like, what? If I were you, I would retire, man. That's a good salary, or that's a good income. But for me, in terms of that, like, I don't see it that way. Because why? I don't see it as, it's not what I want. It's not my goal. My goal is not to just make that and retire. My goal is to actually impact and make use of this money in order to reach as many people as possible. So if I need 10 million to reach 20 million people, I need 10 million. You can't change that. But I don't need 10 million to maybe buy, if I need, like, you know, yeah, a Ferrari, I can get that 1, 2, 3. I don't need 10 million to buy a Ferrari. I need 10 million to reach 20 million people. And from that, I can make money somehow from that. But with that being said, automatically the rewards will be impacting people. On top, I can reward myself with a Ferrari, and I can as well be able to just do other things that can grow my legacy. So that's how you should be seeing it. But we're hitting 5 years in December. I'm excited, and I can't wait to see what the company is going to be doing. There's a lot of things that are coming, big things, and you should just stay noted. Let's go. That's my whole goal with it, and I just want that, you understand? And we are going to be hitting that. That's why you subscribing below, it helps us get there. And as well, just like this video, because when you do like, it makes more people be able to just see, notice us, and love us too. But yeah, see you in the next YouTube video.